I just love messing up my hair. Today I'm giving myself bangs. Bangs. Oh God. This quarantine is not good for me. I just keep doing things I don't need to be doing. I dyed my hair purple like a week ago. There's still some purple in here, but I removed it with bleach and vitamin C because I ended up hating it, and so I wasted $20 on some hair dye I barely used. And I highlighted my hair yesterday, but you can barely see it because I failed at everything. I've always wanted bangs. I've been telling myself I was gonna get bangs forever now. What? I'm just gonna freaking do it. I don't care at this point. Like, it's just hair, it'll grow back. Let's just see, you know? I haven't had bangs since I was like 4. What is wrong with you? Another reason why I'm doing this is because I have a massive forehead. I have my father's hairline, and it's 2 inches back from where it's supposed to be. Hairline would be nice, like right here maybe. Like that's a nice hairline, but like I have a 6 head. The bangs will really hide that. Also, updos always look so much cuter with some bangs. I also wear glasses. I can't exactly see myself and what I'm doing in this mirror behind you. But some bangs and some glasses, cute, right? Anyways, let's just start this because if I keep talking, I'm just gonna stall even more. My hair parts on the side, it's always parted on the side because I just look really bad with a middle part. If you couldn't tell, I already cut my hair because I was gonna commit to this like a few days ago and I just didn't, so now I've just got some chops. We're gonna brush our hair back. I already know that this middle part is gonna be extremely crooked because I can't do anything right. I'm gonna do a middle part. I'm gonna do like from my nose up like this, assuming that I have an asymmetrical face, which I don't, probably. I don't think anybody does. Oh my God, I don't know why I'm doing this. Why am I doing this? Now, if anybody's gonna see that this isn't even, it's gonna be you guys. So, that's crooked. I can't tell. I believe this is the middle. If it's not, oh well. So, do you see why I don't wear my hair in the middle part? I just don't look cute. It just doesn't look, like my forehead is just so big. So I have what you call a heart-shaped face where like it's like width and then it goes to a little point. It's like a heart, you know? And so usually with bangs for heart-shaped faces, you do like a curtain bang so that you're like taking some width off like this instead of height. But like, I don't know what I want to do yet. Just my point here is I have a big forehead and I just really want to hide it, okay? What they do is they do like a little triangle. So we're gonna do a little triangle. This is what all the YouTube videos have taught me. But I'm gonna start little. That's too little, Sarah. Come on. If you're gonna commit, like, commit. I've watched countless YouTube videos on how to do this. I still feel like I'm gonna mess it up. What am I doing? I want a bang, not a boom, okay? I want a little bit, not a lot. I'm nervous talking, okay? I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm usually really good at everything I do. So this is new for me. I don't know. I don't know anything. I don't know anything. Okay, I think that's like all right for now, right? I'm gonna need some more hair on the side here, but oh my God, is this a mistake? I think this is a really big mistake. I can turn back now, but I'm not going to. Let me go ask my mom if this looks like a middle part. Okay. Okay, I got a second opinion. She's still against it, my mother, but I don't care. My hair's dividing like that because that's where my natural part is, so ignore that. My hair's pretty straight. I still want to straighten it. I'm gonna dye I'm just, okay, you're not gonna die, Sarah. Like, stop being so dramatic. We're doing it. We're doing it. There's, just stop it. Okay. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh fuck, I just fucking burnt that. Whatever. Straighten it. Okay, we're just gonna do it. Fuck it, let's go. Ah, okay. So I have my hair cutting shears here, and then I've also got my thinning shears. We're gonna start small. They say to twist. It's gonna shoot up when I let go. So we're gonna start low. We're gonna start here. Okay, wait. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, like, hurry up. That's also super crooked. Let me, like, try to fix that. I can't. Okay, so obviously that is not it. We're just gonna keep cutting, okay? Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I really don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm gonna keep going. It's going in my eyes. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the sides, put those away for now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I can't believe I did this. I forgot I was recording. They're still in my eyes, so we're going shorter. We need to fix this. So, back to that middle part. Little rough middle part there. And I don't even think I'm eating my hair. Like, I can taste it. We're gonna do a bit of a... I can't fucking see. What have I done? What have I done? I can't see that. Okay, that side was much easier. Oh my god, I just cut my fucking finger. Just thin that out. Oh my god, it's all going straight into my eyes. Okay, that's a bit better. There we go. Ew. Oh god. Okay, these pieces look stupid, so we're gonna cut these. I think we need some more face framing pieces, so I'm gonna pull those down. I don't know exactly how to do that, but we're gonna just go like that, I guess. I don't know. So thin. Like, what is that? I don't even know. Oh my god. It looks so bad. What have I done? I think I'm fucking up even more by doing that, so let's just stop. Ow, that was my fucking finger. Thank you. So I've tried to like straighten it and like fix this, but like because my hair used to part here for like literally all my life, it's got to be trained to just stay over here a bit. So I don't know. I think I need more hair because you can still see my giant forehead through it, and it just kind of makes my forehead look even bigger. But it's cute when my hair's up, like, hello. Tell me that ain't cute. And these are my glasses. I wear glasses. These aren't fake. Like, okay, maybe the glasses aren't as cute as I thought they would be, but like, hello. Bangs just make everybody look so much better. Like, I'm sorry. I don't know how I feel. Okay. Okay, I'm back. I definitely don't think it's as bad as I thought it was. It's new. My friends like it, my family likes it. I guess I like it. I've wanted bangs forever because I'm super insecure about my forehead. So now that's gone. I do, however, think it would look a bit cuter if they were the same color. Like, I don't know. My hair's just got 12 different colors going on right now, so it's hard to tell. When I put my hair up or like back, it's also cute. Okay, wait, no, I love it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Let me know if you think it's a look or if I should just grow it out and live with my regret, or keep it. You guys should follow me on Instagram. I have 2 accounts where I sing and one where it's just like pictures, but it's on private, so I don't know if I'll accept your request or not. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!